For 2 years, we've been talking about the Kronos chain, my friends, and this is our time. It is happening. I am so happy for each and every single one of you guys. The Kronos chain is on fire. This is going to be an epic live stream. Buckle up and smash the like button. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. It's happening. Welcome to the Crypto Report. For the last 2 years, we've been talking about the Kronos chain, and now we are reaping the rewards, my friends. We are making money. If you've been paying attention to the Kronos chain ecosystem and what has been going on this chain, then you've seen what's happened. There have been meme coins on this chain going absolutely parabolic. I've taken my initial investment out of 2 of them so far and already 3 to 5x'd several of the positions that I allocated that money into. And I'm going to tell you guys this. I've been in crypto since 2016. I've never made so much money in crypto in my life, and I hope the same is true for you guys. We talked about the Kronos chain for the last 2 years for a reason, my friend. You look at crypto.com. Let me turn down the music. A major player in this space with the most regulatory approval of any other major exchange. You look at Kronos Labs, what they've been doing. You look at just what's happening for other chains. It's contagious. Binance is trying to prop up their meme coin ecosystem as well. Solana obviously had its meme coin mania. Base chain had everybody freaking out. What we saw is major influencers start shilling Solana like crazy. You saw major influencers then pivot to the base chain. Some of the meme coin influencers that you see on Twitter all the time. And now, officially, as of this morning, they are getting ready to shill the Kronos chain. And I'm not making this up, guys. You think there's buying going on right now? Anything could fall at any moment. You have to acknowledge that. None of this is financial advice, but you think things are pumping right now. Wait and see what happens. If the Solana meme coin maniacs and the base chain junkies, and I love them all, come over to the Kronos chain degen arena, then we could get a lot more volume on this chain. And the Kronos chain, which only launched in the peak of the bull market in November of 2021, can get that volume that many people have been waiting for. If you've been holding Coin, what you've probably been hoping for is CRO to go up. Well, good news, guys. This meme coin mania happening right now can be the catalyst to drive your CRO bags up. But if you've been paying attention and you've taken a chance and taken mass amount of risks, obviously mass amount of risks buying meme coins always, you've probably been rewarded. An incredible amount, likely. And if you're new, well, guess what, guys? I think that it's early. I do. I think that Crow with Knife could potentially achieve $1 billion market cap. That's not financial advice. And I'm taking profits on the way up. I've already got my initial investment out of Crow with Knife, and there is no room for sell shaming in this community because at the end of the day, guys, profit taking is profit taking. You got to protect yourself. But when you're playing the meme game, I like to keep a moon bag, and my moon bags are big. I like to do that. That's the way that I want to do this because I see something bigger happening. For years, we've seen people make fun of the Kronos chain, calling it a dead chain. Who is laughing now, my friends? Who is laughing now? We are. It's unbelievable. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Today, we're going to celebrate the Memecoin mania happening on the Kronos chain. We're going to talk about the tokens that I personally am allocated to. Now, let me give you disclosure, guys. I'm not going to tell you exact amounts. Look, I got to be careful. A lot of these things are low cap memes and you got to make your own plays accordingly. But I'm going to tell you what I ended up picking up today, what I expect for some of these things, and some of the ones that I missed and what I expect for those. There's some that I think are going to rip that I'm not in. You can't be in them all at the end of the day, but things are looking good for the Kronos community. And that makes me a very, very happy man, a very happy YouTuber, a very happy crypto lover. Bitcoin is also going up today. So guys, it's a beautiful day. Let's let some people get into this live stream. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's try to make some money, my friends. Again, nothing is financial advice, my friends. This is a guy on a YouTube video with a beautiful studio. I hope you appreciate that. We built this about now back in November. Been rocking with this new studio and right in time for this bull market, my friends. And the Kronos bull market is what we're going to focus on today. But more broadly, we're going to look at everything. So smash a like, subscribe to the channel. Let's take a peek. So not a lot of news that I'm going to go over today. It's all price action today, my friends. First of all, the fear and greed index is at 47. Did you buy the dip? Because when you buy in the fear, that's when you can make the most gains, my friend. Just generally speaking. And I'm talking about some of these other plays as well. And look, Kronos ecosystem, beautiful, but there's some other very legitimate plays like Stacks, for example, dipped down to $1.80 yesterday, back up to $2.08 today. Still an insane discount for that layer 2 solution for Bitcoin DeFi. Dog with hat getting a little rally today, still way down. That's a meme on Solana. A lot of your AI plays, Fetch AI down 14% still over the last 7 days. Look at all these double-digit losers over the last 7 days because there was fear around the Fed. Well, the Fed was a dove yesterday. He did not scare the markets. In fact, he encouraged the markets. And today, we are getting moves up as a result of that. Bitcoin trading at $59,100 today. I think we're going to get back above 60K hopefully today, though there is some resistance at 60K, so we got to keep an eye on that, my friends. Black Sea, my partner on this channel, is going to start doing some live streams. Get ready for that as well. Show him some love when he gets live. I'm so excited for that. May even show his face soon, so prepare yourselves for that. West Texas Crypto gifting a membership. Congratulations, Carlito Figueroa. We got the Crow with Knife fam in the chat saying Crow with Knife. We got people that are very bullish in this chat and for very, very good reason. Andrea Tibarelli wants to know what the market cap prediction is for CAW. I think we could go to $1 billion, but I'm taking profit on the way up. And guys, I think there's a lot more. Now let's just get right into it. First of all, Crow with Knife broke out of my wedge, but we have buyers trying to scoop this dip. The dev, the leader of this community, Destruction, tweeted out. That's what he tweeted out. With a gorilla emoji. I have no idea what that means, but maybe it just means that Ka is the gorilla in the room, and it is. Ka is the biggest market cap next to Corgi AI in the Kronos ecosystem right now. It got a major exchange listing on crypto.com. It got a community fundraising amount of $37,000 raised in less than 24 hours from this Crow with Knife community back when we were way down here, when our community was buying. If you're new to this, we were buying down here, and so yes, we are way in the green. already shuffled out my initial investment. Obviously, with such big gains, you have to secure your future at some point, right? But I am still holding strong on the remainder of my bag, looking for more targets. Now, at a $71 million market cap, where can Crow with Knife go? Guys, back to 100 million, back to 200 million. Hasn't been at 200 million yet. Possibly 500 million. 500 million seems reasonable to me at this point with what we see going on. Crypto.com essentially pumping their own bags, tweeting about this all the time. And maybe what Destruction was talking about with the and gorilla emoji was there's another gorilla coming to the space, maybe an exchange listing. We're talking about this exchange listing for a while. We haven't seen it yet for Crow with Knife, but there should be one more coming. At that point, what you could be excited for is potentially if Crow with Knife can get another pump, then it could start trending on crypto coin market cap as well, which would be epic as well. So we're going to keep an eye out for some of that, but it's not just Crow with Knife, though. Crow with Knife is my favorite and by far my biggest allocation in the Kronos ecosystem. In fact, it's my biggest holding in crypto, period. Fact right now. I missed the Mary. Now, shout out to anybody that bought this. It's at a $19 million market cap. This also provided epic gains. The mystery token likely going to get a crypto.com exchange listing as well, is what the rumor says. Same thing with Ryoshi, which is getting propped up by Ebisu Bay, supported by VVS Finance as well, and the Kronos Labs team. This thing is out a $7.9 million market cap. It is ripping today as well. The dip token, which was associated with providing liquidity for the Crow with Knife team, is falling down from after a big pump, but even this would likely have some kind of upside ahead, probably. I don't own any of this. I don't own any Ryoshi. I don't own any Mystery. And yes, they are the 2, 3, and 4 market cap plays or trending plays on Deck Screener in the Kronos space. So am I maybe missing those there? Yeah, I think that these two could get exchange listings. But instead, what I did, like the true degen spirit, is I picked a lower cap play. And guys, I am so happy to say that I've been croaking. And this is my first time croaking on stream. And so, croak, my friends, is absolutely ripping. It's at a $5.4 million market cap. I have on a piece of paper right there that you just saw in a flash that I put in a good amount of money into Croak at a $1.5 million market cap. I have also already secured my initial investment, and I am leaving some moonbags in place because at a $5.4 million market cap, this token still has not been listed and is one of the most trending tokens, the strongest tweeting community next to Crow with Knife, obviously, and the mystery people as well. Those guys are very strong. Cannot discredit them at all. They're doing a fantastic job. But I went for a lower cap play, and I got in Croak very early at a $1.5 million market cap with a nice stack, and I'm making money. And since then, I bought a little bit of this push token as well, because just why not? I don't know, guys. I literally don't know. But you know what? When you're playing with the bank's money and you take profits, you have an opportunity, guys, to make more allocations. A $1.8 million market cap also has not gotten listed on the CDC DeFi app yet. Other tokens that I've personally accumulated, one would be the CrowFam token, which last night, and obviously, you know, hashtag CrowFam, you've seen me on Twitter, guys. Look at this thing last night, absolutely ripping and roaring, and it honestly looks like still, guys, it's trying to find more upside yet. I have no idea. This is not financial advice. I am not telling you guys to buy these things. You have to do your own due diligence. But I'm playing around. I also picked up some, why wouldn't I do it? Fortune favors the brave token. And again, guys, I can't say anything about the teams behind this. These market caps are very low. They're very risky plays. But Fortune favors the Brave token. Bought a lot of this as well. Got in right about here, to be honest with you guys. And so if this goes down, then you can count me a loser. But I'm in at a $1.6 million market cap. Other tokens that I ended up getting for fun. I got some Ka, obviously. I got some oh no, I don't have any Crease right now, guys, but Crease is pumping. Congratulations to the Crease community as well. I snagged some CrowFam I snagged some fortune favors the brave. Because again, these are catchphrases for the Kronos ecosystem, right? I also snagged some Chronic, which is I got it at $150,000 market cap, and it's currently at 705K. Guys, I don't know. Some of these could be rugs, my friend. Some of them could be. The lower the market cap, the more risk. But when you take profit, and when you're playing with quote unquote the house's money, you guys can take some more bets, if you will. Now, you don't have to. You could take profit into CRO and wait for that $1, $2, $3, $4, $5 CRO, which at some point I believe is going to come along. If you look at the price of CRO right now, the Kronos coin itself is at 12.75 cents, basically where I sold my CRO for these memes, and it is paying handsomely right now. But guys, DeFi listings for all the tokens that I just told you about, none of them are listed on the crypto.com DeFi wallet yet, except for CAW. I believe that is true. So when these things get listed on the DeFi wallet, all of a sudden they can rip. They can pump. Why? Because then more people can easily buy them. And then if for magical reasons, one or a bunch of these tokens get listed on the crypto.com exchange, that's when moves like this happen. Now, I'm not going to give up on CAW quite yet, guys. I think this thing's got a lot of upside, and it's clearly the reason that we are here. Let's call a spade a spade. If it wasn't for Crow with Knife, this Memecoin mania would not be occurring right now, as epic as it is, because crypto.com listed it. The community's excited. It was a fair launch. The wallet distributions are beautiful on this coin for Crow with Knife. The other thing that's the best part about Crow with Knife, which is why I like it still more than anything else, is because there was no team allocation, no marketing budget, no here's the allocate. We put 5% for the founders, 5% for none of that. Just straight up community launch. All tokens are in circulation. Not every project is like that. But just because somebody has a marketing budget or something like that doesn't really mean anything bad at all, as long as the leaders have integrity and they do proper moves with those allocations. So what you want to look out for is any of these other coins that have allocations for marketing budgets or for the devs, is that they're not dumping on the community, right? So that they're actually using those marketing budgets for marketing, for airdrops, for whatever. These are the things that you got to keep in mind, guys. Meme coins can be gambling, but they can be investing too. And we've proven that over the last couple months with Crow with Knife, now with Croak, now with some of these other plays. And the good news is I personally believe that they are still early. And also interesting right here, RCO Raccoon. I got a little bit of this one as well. Just because, again, it's a very low market cap coin at 421K. This thing is also trying to send to the moon. Now, I didn't buy every token on Kronos, but I bought like half of them because I support my community and there's an opportunity to make money here. And you know what? Shout out to everybody making money out there, guys. I am so happy for each and every single one of you guys. What an epic, beautiful day it is. And Reginald says, don't give up on Crow with Knife. I have not even come close to giving up on Crow with Knife. I think we got a lot of juice left. Now, I want to talk to you guys about something else. This is big news. This is big news. On my Twitter. All right, my friends, and if you're not following me on Twitter, you very much should be. Really trying to tweet as much as I can at CryptoKip Tweets. I put out this tweet this morning. Look at this, guys. It's happening, okay? Yesterday, I super chatted George trying to tell him about the Kronos chain and Crow with Knife, and that's George from Cryptos R Us, and he brushed me off because he does not like the Kronos chain. Well, inevitably, I'm going to predict it now. At some point, he's going to like the Kronos chain, and if he doesn't, then I think he's going to miss out. But there's other major influencers out there that are about to start talking about Kronos. And case in point, here we go. 5 hours ago this morning, Jake Gagan, with 260K followers on Twitter, he tweeted out this, what are the top memes on Kronos? Now, the communities that are strongest will obviously raid this comment, and try to show him what is up. Obviously, Crow with Knife very present. The Croak team very present. Again, a reason why I am bullish on both of those coins. Mystery clearly in the mix. If you can just kind of see through some of these. Those are the top 3 most shield tokens on Kronos right now, it seems. And so inevitably, they're the 3 that I'm most bullish on. Unfortunately, I don't own any Mary. But my broader point with this is, guys, is Jake Gagan, again, has 260K followers. If you look at his Twitter, what does Jake Gagan do? He talks about memes all day. And what did he do? He's on Brett on the base chain. He's been talking about the Solana memes for a very, very long time. And you know what? Now he's talking about the Kronos memes. This guy is about to pump the Kronos chain. That's what it seems. He's a big influencer, my friends. And, you know, like it or not, when people with an audience talk about coins, they tend to go up. And if more people talk about it, they tend to go up more. Now, you got to avoid the rug pulls. You have to do your own research. None of this is financial advice. We're just participating in the Kronos meme coin mania. And fortunately, for those of you guys that participated with us, I think we're still very early. The Kronos chain was accused of being a dead chain forever. And it's just simply not anymore. It's just simply not anymore, my friends. Roman Becker says so much potential. Oh, and he also says Brave token. I bought a little Brave token as well. At a $3 or $4 million market cap. We'll see how that one plays out. It's unbelievable, my friends. Absolutely unbelievable. So what else is going on today, guys? Because today is just a day to celebrate these Kronos memes, my friend. And that's the point of this video, the point of this stream, for the community to get together in the Crow Fam to just go caw, 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 and croak, 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 and Crow Fam, Crow Fam, Crow Fam. You know, Chris says Crypto Lifer blew off my super chat earlier. That's what they do, Chris. The other influencers are missing the boat and they're going to FOMO in. Otto says, Kip, I think you have to turn your input volume, sound getting back, not on OBS. Thank you, turn back up. Wait, what is loud? Otto, is my voice loud? Is the audio loud for the... Let me see something. How's the audio, guys? Let me know how the audio is. Oh, it's just because I'm shouting into the mic. I just get so excited. Yeah, I just keep shouting. I'm shouting in the mic. I'm a shouter. All right, cool, cool. So smash the like button, guys. What are we talking about today? So what, just wild, guys. Just absolutely wild. I am excited, Carlito. So far, I've only taken $6,000 out, and I have it in cash right now, like actual cash, for the first time in a long time because I'm making so much money on these memes. So I put $6,000 in cash into my Crypto.com main app account, and I'm going to withdraw that to my bank account and pay my credit card bills. And you know what? Gonna get to pay a lot of bills, my friends. Gonna get to pay a lot of bills. Anthony W says my mic equalizer is too high pitched. What does that mean? Exactly. Does that mean, is my voice cutting? Is it cutting? I'm not a big audio guy. How is the sound? Very curious. Very curious. Sounds good. Some people think it sounds good. Yeah. Well, I can't really do anything about it right now because I'm live, but good. All right, getting some good feedback. If you guys want to become a member on our channel, by the way, like, Nij Miller, like Carlito, like Creeper. You can do so. You can join as a member and access our private Discord. Maybe you got to turn down your speaker, Anthony. Maybe you're bumping too loud. I don't know. I can't. It's because I scream. But thank you for that feedback, my friends. So let's see what's going on. So 7.2 million market cap, or $72 million market cap for this thing still. Alleged exchange listing coming. Waiting to hear more from the lead dev there. Mystery token. I see a lot of people talking about this thing. And yeah, I mean, I think that it could potentially get a crypto.com exchange listing. This looks like it's consolidating nicely in one of these wedges. But we got to be careful with the wedges, you know, because you never know. Just because there's a wedge doesn't mean it's going to break out to the upside. Case in point is Crow with knife, my friends. But maybe the bleeding stopped, especially if there's more news coming. Still bullish on Crow with knife. Ryoshi with knife. This was basically a tip of the hat to the Crow with knife army. They launched this token. This token's doing pretty darn well as well. Another beautiful little wedge kind of playing out. Not as good. Not as good of a wedge, but some kind of, this is what I'm seeing anyway. So something out here potentially. You know, when I see these wedges, what I expect is do 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 do, and then boop, or sometimes you just get the opposite and you go do 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 bap. You never know. So anyway, a lot of coins are pumping today. So that's pretty cool. Let's see how Croak is doing. Croak is my second biggest bag on Kronos memes right now, just because why not? I don't know. I don't know why. The community is very loud. They caught my attention. Big dip on the 4-hourly. Still kind of holding the range. It's a wild day, guys, but biggest stories here is, again, Crow with knife, my friends. If that gets listed on another exchange, what we're going to see is this. This market cap is still not verified, according to CoinMarketCap. And once that is verified, we need 3 exchange listings to do it, I believe. Once that is verified, then it has the possibility of trending up here. And if it trends up here, guys, that usually causes another buying frenzy. So something to look forward to. Let's talk about this a little bit. If you're wondering why some of these are pumping, the answer is community mostly, guys. But also developments. Again, still not listed on the DeFi app for Croak at least, and some of these others that I've talked about. But let me highlight for you guys. Yesterday, Croaky got listed on CoinGecko. Recently, CrowFam got listed on CoinGecko. We still don't see Fortune Favors the Brave up here yet, though they do offer the DeFi side. But they're not listing it as a token you could add to your quote on. I track my portfolio through CoinGecko on my phone, so I can't, add that in yet. Some of these other ones, like let's see if like Mary's in there yet. I bet it is. I bet Mystery's already in there. Mystery's already got the listing. Let's see if Ryoshi's in here. Ryoshi's in there. I know that, a lot of people hold Crease. Crease has been in there for a while. What are some of the other ones off the top of my head? Yeah, none of the other ones are listed in there yet, I don't think. Let's see if... No, Push isn't yet. What else have we got? Brave isn't in there yet. So guys, a lot more listings on CoinGecko, on CoinMarketCap, you know, on the DeFi wallet, and influencers are looking like maybe they want to FOMO in, given that Jake Gagan's now tweeting about it. That's pretty cool. Somebody was asking, so is this a huge bull flag for Ka? A good question. Maybe, but it kind of broke out of the bull flag to the downside. So some people were talking about potentially coming down to like this level. And the reason being for that would be because the opening of this wedge simply points that, you know, you break down out of this, you come down to this potential level. But it kind of doesn't matter. You can't really do TA with these memes because all of a sudden a whale comes along and they pump your bags sometimes. Sometimes they dump your bags. Either way, it can happen. So just things you need to be prepared for when you're gambling with meme tokens, because that's kind of what we're doing. There's a strategy, but it is very risky business. Fortunately, I think we're early. Yeah, a lot of people got some push tokens airdrop to them. That was cool. Interesting. Okay, well, how's the sound now? Does that any better? Does the sound get better if I take off the tunes? Or is it still doing that thing, like the sound of a mic in your mouth? Somebody please let me know. I'm going to just go ahead and turn my volume down so I don't bust out. Yeah. All right, well then maybe this is better, but maybe I'm too quiet now. Somebody please let me know. All right. All right. Well, then we're going to rock it back up here. Yeah, I'll have to go back. Okay. Well, now I got it. Anyway, wow. Here we go. Here we go. Might even be worse than before now. Anyway, sorry. That's the best I can do. I'll go back and listen to it later. Okay. So anyway, guys, look, there's not a lot to report on with these. Just the point is a broader Kronos ecosystem is pumping right now, and this is a more casual live stream to just kind of hang out and celebrate it. It's like I do have an ear infection. Maybe that's what it. Mr. X says big money is going to flood in. It might, guys. The degens from Solana and Base might come over here. Yeah, other chains are, I think, going to come in to this space. So get ready. Wait a minute. What? Anth Crow says, hey, Kip, hey, fam, watching from the hospital, suffered a bleed on the brain. Anth, man, I'm sorry to hear that. Are you okay? I'll pray for you, brother. Wow. One last check-in with the audio. Somebody give me some feedback. Anth, how's my audio now? Are the tunes okay? Is the voice okay? Somebody let me know. Get well soon. Marty says, I did not like Jake Gagan after the Saitama fiasco. Yeah, he shills too many things, to be honest with you. I don't like to FUD creators, and I don't like to FUD other projects, but he talks about too many coins. I don't like the way that he does business as much. It's just too many coins. Like, He's talked about so many coins that have absolutely gone away. And I've talked about coins that have died, but not that many. Not that many. And sometimes you get them wrong, but I don't know. Like, I don't have any partnerships with any memes. That's the key thing for us. I don't have any partnerships with any memes at all. I got a partnership with Pikamoon. We did a sponsored video for them. But that is a gaming play. And a semi-legitimate project from the seam of it. Yeah, Saitama. I have a good buddy who is a big Saitama bull as well. He got hurt on Saitama as well. Patriot says, Croak the frog is blue and he loves Crypto Kip. And you know what? I'm going to tell you, Crypto Kip loves the croak, my friend. Crypto Kip loves the croak as well. It's pretty impressive what this coin has done. Recently, there was staking added for Croak. A lot of staking getting added for a lot of these coins, guys, and that is going to help these projects continue to grow and thrive. You got it, Anth. Mikey says, sounds good. Some people are listening on phones and some laptops. Good. Good. Oh, I got DM'd on X by Mr. Miller or Mrs. Miller. What'd you DM me about? I didn't see it. Paul Bustamante says he's buying Brave token. I picked up a little Brave. So did Black Sea today. Yeah, see, I don't know what a compression filter is. That's the truth. I think I just gotta talk quieter. I bet you if I talk quieter, it's probably fine. But the thing is I tend to scream into the mic. And I cut out mics because I'm a screamer. And I don't mean that in a weird way. Oh boy. Avo says, let's croak. We're croaking. We're just watching these charts today. We're seeing what's going on. We're getting some pumps. All right, here's what I'm going to do. Today is just a day of celebration. Screamer and a streamer. Not wrong. These things are just all in these crazy bull flags. I'm just pulling up a bunch of charts for us, okay? I'm going to look at CROB real quick because some people ask me about CROB all the time. And here's the deal, guys. There's a reason that CROB isn't doing well. It's not a community token. It's just not a community token like these other ones are. Like Brave token was launched by 5 Loaded Lions. You know, Ka was a fair launch, you know, no allocations for anybody. Croak, I mean, their community is so strong, and it's just a natural community that's growing right now, you know. But Krob, though it's at a $29 million market cap, it's got a lot of liquidity. It has an exchange listing on crypto.com too. It's just not pumping. Why? Because its story when it came out, it almost was trying to be a competitor to Crow with Knife, and the community doesn't like that. And guys, community is everything. Community is everything, especially with meme coins. Again, this is what we're looking at, guys. And so what we do is we take all these positions and we measure moves, right? Like that's what you do, right? You could even take potentially this entire flag, right? And measure that out, but this is a lower time frame, so we'll just keep an eye on some of these. Carlito says cult-like fashion, guys. It happened on Solana, it happened on Base, and it is happening right now on Kronos. This is a weirder formation for Croak. It's like an opposite wedge. I don't know this pattern. It's like some kind of opposite wedge. So I don't know what that means, but again, I'm waiting for these listings on these DeFi wallets to see what that means. Are they going to list these? And I think a lot of people are doing the same thing. I don't know. I have no news to say that any of these things are going to get listed on the DeFi app, though if they do, we see what happens to those coins. They pump. They pump, my friends. They pump. This one's not as in much of a range, but it's still only a $1.5 million market cap. Fortune favors the brave. And guys, again, I'm not endorsing any of these tokens. I'm just telling you what I've got going on. That is all I'm doing. It's not financial advice, my friends. It's not financial advice. Too quiet? So, we're looking around, guys. We're trying to figure out what's going on in this Kronos chain because there are so many of these things going to the moon. And what a lot of people do is, and I predicted this, I did. What a lot of people do is when they make money in one coin, they shuffle their profits into smaller coins. And that's what we see seeing. Now, does that mean that people are going to sell their CAW for everything else? No, but some people might take some of their profits that they made with CAW and put it elsewhere. But, you know, if you're smart, you keep something in it if you believe in it. If you believe in it. And I kept a lot. Again, CAW is still my biggest holding in my portfolio. So if CAW gets hurt, you will know that Crypto Kip got hurt. But that's why I already secured my initial. Same thing with Croak. I already secured my initial back with Croak. And I'm going to do the same thing accordingly with everything else. Get your initial investment back, my friends. Especially if you're early. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Welcome to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. We do 5 videos every single day, and we beat the crowd to the Kronos chain. So congratulations to you guys if you joined us on that journey and you're making money today. Carlito says we need a crow with knife emoji for the members. You're not wrong. You know what? I'm going to get on that. We're going to do that. Yeah, it's crazy to think about, guys, because early on here, very, very early, a while ago, I changed my banner and I changed my name on Twitter and I put a crow with knife in a long time ago. And I put the crow with knife in my banner a long time ago. I've already got my verified blue check mark back to show you how long it's been since I've had these in there. And we predicted this. And if you guys have been watching, I bet you're making some good money. So shout out to you. I'll be right back, guys. Sit tight. I'm going to go to the charts for you, though. Miller asks, is there anything specific I need to do to get the Discord after joining on YouTube? Yes. You have to go into your Discord and you have to link your YouTube account to your Discord and you will automatically be placed into the Discord. Thanks, Marty. I see you, Marty. You're a legend. I'll be right back. All right. Gotta get some agua. I had to get some water. Cuervo con cuchillo. Four more likes till 100. Let's get there. Yeah, we got 169 viewers and 96 likes. What? We gotta get more likes, my friends. So here's something for you guys. So what you should do is when you're on, and by the way, for you guys, if anybody's wondering, like, where am I tracking all these? Dex Screener. Dex Screener. You can also use Dex Tools. I use Dex Screener for now. $5 super chat. What do you think about Giga Rap Crow? I have no idea anything about it, Dr. Laser Eyes. I can check it out. Thank you for the super chat. So when I'm looking at a token and considering to buy, one thing that I do is I like to go and check some of this information. One, you got to check these. Is there a buy tax? Is there a sell tax? Is the ownership renounced? Do you want all these green? If they're not green, that's a red flag, okay? And not these. These mean nothing. These are community votes. That's just haters right there is what those red flags are. What you really need to look at is this GOAT plus security, and these are all things that are important for a token. What I also do is I go into the Explorer, open in block Explorer, and it takes us to the Kronos Scan Explorer. From here, you can see there's 9,000 holders. You can see there's 300,000 transfers, impressive metrics. You can see the supply. There's 777,777 trillion. Don't even know how to say that number. 777 trillion ka and then some. And what I like to do is I like to look at the holders. Are there big wallets? Are there big wallets in here? Who's holding the supply? Who are the whales? What are these wallets? I can tell you that this wallet right here is crypto.com. Now, I have no idea what this wallet is. Shout out to the community. Does anybody know who has this 7.64% allocation of this wallet? This is a newer wallet, to my knowledge. Because I think that this wallet right here is the dev. And then you've got some others. Crypto.com CDC withdrawal. Wow. Wow. So those are the things that I like to look at. Something to be aware of. Getting a little bounce. Okay, so let's check out, I got that super chat for Giga, huh? Giga Lion? Is this the one? Spice Ape says, I believe the CDC split their wallet in two. Very interesting. That makes sense to me. Very small market cap play. 32K locked liquidity launched by the community. Alleged, according to... I'm just talking... this. I got a super chat. I'm just looking at a chart, guys. I don't know any of this. Look at that. All these coins are pumping, my friends. It's crazy. We're at a full-fledged meme coin mania for Kronos chain. 240 holders, you know, and these are the things that I look at. You can see who's holding. And you see a lot of the same names. Like, this guy's all over the place. This guy gets in almost every single coin, too. He's got a lot of money. Very interesting. So, GigaLion.Crow owns... So who's the 26%? Dr. Laser Eyes, is that you? Somebody owns 4%. You never know, guys. You never know. I don't know. There's so many coins. I can't be in every single coin, can I? Woo! I don't own any NFTs except for ordinals. I don't like NFTs. I sold my loaded lion. I just sold my loaded lion, and I 5x'd it in these memes. It's a repeated theme with that. I sold my crypto.com NFTs and made more money on coins. You know? I know, Warren. I'm sorry. I'm still doing a loaded lion giveaway at 20,000 subscribers. Oh, yeah, we hit 18,000 subscribers now, didn't we? Thank you for all your support, everybody. What about dip? Dip is dipping. I don't know. I don't know about dip. I sold my dip. I don't have dip. But that doesn't mean that it can't go up. I just don't own it. And I don't own any Mary either, and Mary's been ripping, you know. I don't own any of this. I missed a lot of upside there. You know. Power to motivate. Thanks for that $5 super chat. Ask best place to buy Croak. I'll do you one better. All right. Best place to buy anything on Kronos. It's a DEX called Wolf Swap. It's an aggregator for Kronos. They follow me on Twitter. We've been interacting. I've talked to the founder of this. I have no affiliation with them. Oscar Ramos is now an ambassador for them. I talked to them about maybe being an ambassador, but I also don't really like having partnerships with anybody. I kind of just like to be a speculator on the sidelines so that I can kind of give my full-fledged, honest opinion on anything. So I'm biased. I try to avoid bias by avoiding partnerships, but I inevitably will always have bias because there's tokens that I own and there's tokens that I don't. But if you want to buy any of these tokens that I've been talking about and it's on your own research and it's not financial advice from me or my partner, my favorite app on Kronos is the WolfSwap app. If you don't already have the crypto.com DeFi wallet downloaded on your phone or on your computer, then you are missing the boat. And you will miss the boat. Because you can't really play this game unless you're playing the DeFi wallet game. Fact. Because then if these things get listed on a centralized exchange, you're first and you make money. One of the places that I like to go into the DeFi app to trade some of these tokens is wolfswap.app. And what I'll do is I'm going to retweet this right now. And if you want to make sure you go to the right app, what you can do is you can go to my Twitter and now you will see that tweet right here, and you can click on their name and you can go to their app through here. But I recommend you go into the app in the crypto.com DeFi wallet and you can go trade anything. But you got to make sure that you're trading the correct token, because there are duplicates of these tokens sometimes and scammers out there looking to take advantage of you. So please be careful. Kyle's asking, what do you think of the Welsh current price? Let's look at Welsh. Let's look at what we got going on in the Stacks tokens today, because I know Bitcoin's moving up a little bit. And so we have a couple coins moving today in the Stacks ecosystem as well. Welsh is super low. Super low. I think Welsh is looking for a floor. What an epic crash. You gotta wait for Stacks to go up, guys. Here's the deal. You're in the Stacks memes. You're in the Stacks ecosystem. Well, guess what? You need Stacks to do this. That's what you need. You need Stacks to do that, and you need Bitcoin to continue on its journey back above 60K. And it looks like it wants to do that today, which is awesome. Hopefully we do see that. Here's the theory, guys. We got a lot of bull market left. Broadly speaking, forget about the memes on Kronos for a second. Broadly speaking, this is what we've been looking at on this channel. The overall market cap, and this is what me and all the friends of mine that invest in crypto believe. At some point, we're going to see the overall market cap for crypto break its previous highs. That means altcoins will pump, Bitcoin will pump, Solana will pump. Everything that you know and love will pump, likely, as long as you bought a good project, you did your own research, and you didn't buy a rug, right? And you got to look for strong communities and all that. And the Crow fam is strong, which is why we've been here, which is why we're here for where it matters, right? But we are waiting, and when I say we, I mean me and my friends that own crypto, and we talk on the phone every day about it. When the overall market cap gets to 3 trillion, we're looking for a breakout above that. And once it breaks out above that, that's when you know that, okay, now we're in the bull market and profit taking really starts to make sense. And when I say profit taking, I mean profit taking for cash. Now, or cash, excuse me. I am taking profits on a lot of these things, but I'm selling them for other bags that I want to accumulate, right? And then I'm keeping my moon bags for the things that I believe in. That's my personal theory. That's my personal strategy, my personal opinion. So there you go. Mikey says, you have to link your DeFi wallet to the WolfSwap app to use it. Any concerns about that resecurity? I mean, I've done it. I haven't had any issues, and that's where you have to decide for yourself. Do you trust the WolfSwap team? But it is in the crypto.com DeFi wallet. If you go into the browser on your DeFi wallet and you click on browser, and then you go over to the Kronos DeFi app category, and then you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see the WolfSwap app. It is a newer app that was actually put onto the App Store or in the browser for the DeFi wallet recently. And I just go in through the Kronos wallet because my theory is the Kronos team is vetting to the best of their ability a lot of those projects before they let them on their platform. And so that's good to see. I agree with you, Mr. Planet. I'm holding on my Welsh because it's the first dog meme on Bitcoin. Dragonova says, one of the problems with NFTs, you have to sell or buy the entire thing. That's not true, especially if you buy multiple NFTs at the same time. But regardless, I just don't like NFTs. I just don't like them. I haven't made money on them, and that's saying a lot. I haven't made money on them. It's not like I got my head in the clouds. I'm on the pulse, and I have not made money with them, especially on Kronos. The Kronos memes, I'm just sorry, guys. The Crypto.com memes, I was hyped for them. I wanted them to pump. I thought they would. They haven't. And at some point, now that people are making a ton of money on these memes, the Kronos NFTs might have a chance to get some action as well, maybe. But NFTs, I don't know. We got 207 viewers and 122 likes. You guys are absolutely amazing. If you guys are just joining us, welcome to the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip. Look, guys, in crypto, there's a lot of volatility. If you guys want to trade some of this volatility, you can sign up for Femex, an excellent leverage trading platform. Using our referral code, when you deposit money into Femex, you can get up to a $4,100 sign-up bonus. So make sure you're aware of that if you want to try some trades on some of the bigger coins out there. You can also become a member on our channel down in the link description down below and get access to our private Discord. We have a lot of fun in that Discord, so check it out. Ethereum is back above 3K. Stacks is 210. Beautiful. Guys, crypto's looking really juicy again. This is awesome. This is awesome. All right, guys. That's all I got in this one. I got some push. We'll see. Look at these memes, my friends. We're doing it. On Kronos. You see it. We're moving. Things are headed in the right direction. Big retracement here on Ka. Let's see how it plays out. I'm holding. Got some mystery token looking for its move. Got some Croak. Also getting a move. Crofam's been ripping. There's some I'm not talking about, guys. A lot of these things are ripping. I hope they all go to the moon for you guys. I hope you guys are taking profits. I hope you guys are making money. Shout out to the Crow fam. Mr. Planet Profit says, Crow is a legend. I think the Crow fam is a legend, and that's why we are here today in mass numbers celebrating the victory. That's all I got in this one, though, guys. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA and HODL. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace, y'all.